And once you open it up, right here, IS4 remote. This is your 4-button remote on the side of the hot tub. We'll just unplug that. Okay, close it back up, and we'll see if that did solve the problem. If the hot tub does not randomly turn on like it did, then we'll know that's the problem. Just replace the spa side remote and we'll be in good shape. And we're going to disconnect the spa side remote as a test to see if it's what's causing random on and off